Alright guys, it is Monday again. I've been in the shop working on Mr. Cuda, and while I'm waiting for some stuff to dry, I'm playing with the fender. It's still got to be tweaked a bunch more. Let me put it up here so I can show you. But that's the way it is. It's got a nice lines in it. I've still got to roll out a bunch of these things that happened when we used the bead roller. It kind of indented it, so I'm just going to run this part here and then this part here in the English wheel again to smooth it right out. And that should do it. That's the front fender. I think I'm going to remake the rear fender if I have enough juice. Well, not juice, but metal. Because I got to put this in the vise, flatten it all out. 1, 2, so. That's kind of the way it is. All right, guys, like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.